Okay, so we're gonna show how to utilize your system to delete or add a user. The principle over here is that to delete a user is like a £1 and you unlock your system and you go 13 and the user number. So if the user number is 4, that would be 134 and pound. So if the user number is 14, that would be 1314 and pound. But let's demonstrate that. So we wake up the system, we do £1. And here we do 1, 1, 3, and the user number, let's say, is 11 and pound. Well, we don't have a user number 11, so you won't delete. So let's say 10. We don't have a user number 10, so let's say user 9. We don't have a user 9, so let's say user 6. Well, we don't have users of that point, okay? The reason for it is because we deleted all users at once. Now, how do we do that? When you come in your system, if there was a user, it would have been deleted, okay? But in this case here, we don't have a user. So, there is no regular user. Now, we want to delete an admin user. An admin is any number from 1 to 5. How do you know you're an admin? For instance, when you open the system, it tells 001. When you hear 1, meaning 001, it means the slot 1 is occupied by an admin with a fingerprint. If I do discard, unlock 002, it means the slot 2 is occupied by an admin with discard. If I do this one, which is our smartwatch satellite power, so 003, it means it is occupied by satellite power smartwatch. Okay, so all admins are numbered from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Everything else is regular user. Now, let's say we want to delete the admin of discard, okay? That's user number 2, which is an admin. Remember, all admin are between 1 and 5. So to delete the user number 2, what we're gonna do, £1, we unlock, and we do 132 and pound, and this user will be deleted. So let's do it.
Please verify ministry. Operation successful. Press 1 for you. Press 1. Please 2. Operation successful.
So the user has been deleted. And then let's try. Sorry. Let's cancel this one. There you go. Let's try to try. There you go. This user has been deleted. Okay. So if we want to add back the user, so let's say we want to use as a user this time, not as an admin, but as a regular user, then we will have to do £1, and we will do verification of admin, which is whatever fingerprint or code, whatever that you use to register yourself as an admin. And then once we enter into the system, what we do is that we do 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2, that's to add a user that is not an admin. And here we're gonna do pound to generate a slot. Okay, and so we have an available slot that is 6, and we have a card. So we want to add under 2, which is card. And then it's a swipe. All you do is this, and then registered, and you're all set. Now, if you don't know the user number code, which is sometimes happen, let's say you don't know who is what, the way to go with that is that you can delete all users except the admin. So the way you do that, you enter your system by £1. You verify you as an admin, and here what you do 1 for £1. So 1 for £1. It deletes, and after you do £2, £2, and you will confirm, and you will follow with £3.
Press 1 to
£3.
confirm.
So now everything is deleted except the admin. What it means? When you hit on 1, it deletes all the fingerprint that is for the users. When you hit on £2, it deletes all the tag, all the card for the users. When you hit on £3, it deletes all the code for the users. Now, if you want to delete only the code for every other user except the admin, but not the tag or the fingerprint, then you will do £3. I hope it makes sense. It's a little programming that once you get used to understanding it, it becomes more easier. So let's do one more test. We have this admin that is number 6. I mean, this user that is number 6 because he is no longer admin. How do we know it? Well,
Operation failed.
oh, he's deleted actually. Okay, I already deleted it. So what we're gonna, oh yes, eventually, because we did it earlier. So let's do that again. Add the user.
Verify administrator.
So to add a user, that will be
Press 1 for
1, 2, and pound to generate an available slot. So we hit 2, or let's say we will do 3 for a code. Okay, 3,
Input a new code.
and we will select a code that will be,
Please input
we
again.
do twice.
Operation successful.
So we have a user that has a code inside.
Press
Now let's go back. So at this point here, to open the system,
unlock.
there you go. Is
06.
now opening. The 006, that's user number 6, right? So now I want to delete that user. So what I do, I know that user number is number 6. What I do, I wake up the system and I do £1.
Please verify administrator.
I verify, and I wait a little bit until it comes with the prompt.
One for user.
And from here, I will do 1, 3, 6, and pound.
Operation successful.
And the user 6 is deleted.
Administrators.
So 1 is to enter into the user management, and 3 is to delete a user, and 6 is the slot of the user. Okay, so let's do that again one more time. We want to delete a specific user. We do £1. We enter the system, and then we do 1, 3, and the user number, if it's 4, we do 4 and pound. So let's do that again. £1.
Please verify administrator.
We enter,
Operation successful.
and we want to delete user number 4. So what we do is 1, 3, 4 pound.
Operation successful.
Okay,
Press 1 to add administrator.
so that's pretty much how it goes.
Users.
So that's pretty much how it goes. And again, to delete a user, you do £1, and then you enter either your fingerprint or your code or your card that is set as an admin. Okay, to know which is the slot that a specific user is using or occupying, you have that user use that code, and then you will know which user that is.